In this video, we're going to tell you what comes after that Department of Labor certification for your H-2B visa.
Hey, cheers!
Not yet.
Not yet?
We're going to discuss what you file with USCIS.
Yes.
The I-129.
Yes.
The I-907.
Yes.
The 914B.
Yes.
Recruitment report, statement of need.
So I shouldn't drink this wine
G28.
yet?
Not yet.
Okay, just a little sip.
One more video, and you can start popping bottles, drinking wine, and celebrating. But in this video, we're going to tell you what you need to send to USCIS and where you need to send it, because there's not just one USCIS.
Coming right up after the break. Welcome to Log Break. This is the channel where we give you reliable information to help you make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes on your immigration journey. This is video 5 in the H-2B Visa series. We just got through the recruitment report in the last video, and now what happens after the Department of Labor has approved your temporary labor certification? It's not time to drink yet. He stopped me from drinking. It's not time yet. Trent, what do we got going on? We got the I-129, we got the I-907.
Oh, we've got a lot. We've got a lot.
We got the 914-2B again.
You received your Department of Labor certification. It's a certification. I mean, it sounds official.
To me, it sounds like worthy of a drink.
But it does not mean that you're going to get your workers.
No.
You have cleared, the first hurdle, and now you get to proceed to USCIS. At USCIS, you need to submit your I-129. That's about a 40-page document. Maybe about 15 pages actually apply to the H-2B program, but you need to go through it meticulously and make sure you fill out every single blank that applies to you and your company.
So, pro tip, it's the first 13 pages, which is what everybody fills out, and then, as you can read in the instructions for the I-129 for the H-2B, the H supplement, which applies to all H-1B, H-2B, H-2A, and even H-3 visas. But within the H supplement, you only fill out the parts for the H-2B.
Yes.
Right. I'm sure you understood all that.
It's not confusing at all, but you'll be okay.
You'll be okay.
You'll be okay.
It's all labeled.
Instructions, these videos will help you. In addition to your I-129, you need to fill out an I-907. Now, this is not required, but the I-907 is a request for premium processing. And what that means is your I-129 is going to be processed in 15 days.
Instead of
2, 4, 6,
months.
8 months, years, nobody really knows. So you're going to need to fill out the I-907 for premium processing if you actually want to get your workers in before the cap is met. But that's not all. You remember everything you had to submit to the Department of Labor? Your 9142B, your 9141, your G28 if you're working with an attorney.
Your 9142B appendix.
Appendix B. Your job order that you also submitted to the State Workforce Agency. Your
evidence supporting your temporary statement of need.
Your recruitment report.
Your recruitment report.
Oh, also your certified copy of your 9142B. You know, that email you get that lets you know that you're certified.
Super important.
So that all has to go to USCIS.
And how many copies do we send?
2 copies. 2 copies of everything except for the check or checks. So review the instructions. The payment is actually $460 for the I-129, $150 for a fraud prevention fee.
Fraud prevention fee!
And $1,500 for the premium processing.
It's like the cost of a small car.
Which comes to a total of $2,110.
And that's as of right now. We're filming this October 14th, 2021. It could go up.
It went up about a year ago, so definitely read those instructions. Make sure you know the proper fees. Also read the instructions and make sure you fill out your check correctly. As of today, it is U.S. Department of Homeland Security.
Which we'll show an image of right here.
If you fill out to another party, it may get sent back to you along with the rest of your application, which will delay your processing. So make sure you follow those instructions very carefully.
So Trent, we get all that. We get all that stuff. We got the freaking 907, the I-129, all these attachments.
They know. We want to. They know. They
I don't
know
have
what
to
they're.
repeat it. I'm ready to drink
They know what we're sending.
for our success.
They know what they're sending.
So where do we send it?
Complicated question. Are you on the East Coast, West Coast, somewhere in the middle?
Are we talking wrap or are we talking location?
Probably location.
All right, I'm on the East Coast.
If you're on the East Coast, you have a Vermont service center, and you paid for premium processing.
I did.
So you have a premium processing center for the East Coast.
Oh.
There's also a California service center.
So what if I'm
So-
Snoop Dogging? I'm Snoop Dogging.
What you're gonna do is go to this super valuable link.
Here it is.
Follow it very closely. It will tell you where to send your package. It also matters whether you're sending UPS, FedEx, or USPS. What we always do is next day, overnight, FedEx or UPS. Just a pro tip.
And it's a pro tip because what we saw, even in this October cycle, is that every day matters. This October cycle ended 45 days before last year's October cycle. The April cycle is even more competitive. So literally, a difference of a day could be the difference between you getting your workers and not. So don't opt for cheap shipping. You know, saving $50, now is not the time. You know, save $50 when you need to buy groceries at Costco. Don't save $50 when you're trying to get a worker from Mexico.
Agreed.
That rhymed, and I feel like that makes it more valuable. I think I've contributed the most to this video between the two of us.
Either way, I think we're providing valuable information to the viewer, and that's what's most important.
So, if you like this video, which is now definitely at an end because you've gotten all the information that you need to be successful in this part of the process, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like us, tell others about us, comment if you have any questions, and most of all, if you need to contact us, it's in the description. All the information you need. We're taking clients through November 12th, 2021. Anything else to add?
That's it.
That's it. We'll see you in the next one.